Okay, hi, this is Marnie Burt, and I have a fun thing that I just learned how to do, and so I thought I'd share it. It's called Google Maps Engine, and I use it as an interactive, my students create interactive study guides when we are studying novels because we can actually go to the setting. So you go in and create a map, and you can title it whatever you want. And then basically, for instance, I'm going to be using this when I do the breadwinner, and the breadwinner is in Kabul. So we're going to go to Kabul, and we're going to create a pin there, and so we're going to add that pin to the map, and then we can go in and actually edit and add information to these pins. And so I share this map with the students, and then they create their own pins. And so we're going to go to the Kabul market, okay? And something is happening there. The main character sells letters, to make money for her family because her father's been thrown in prison. Okay, so I would write that sentence. So write that sentence, or I usually have the kids do summaries because that's the writing skill we've been working on. And then save that. We're going to edit it again. You can add pictures, which is really cool. So you go in and it just links to a search. And I'm going to find pictures of the market, and I can add those very easily, and it's very cool because you can add as many as you'd like. So giving a nice little visual of what the market actually looks like, and then our pin is saved. And so the kids create these pins, and then they go in and everybody creates one, and then everybody gets to read the different pins that have been created. And we actually just did this for Counting Coup, which we're reading now, and here we can see our different pins that kids created, and you pull them up, and the information that they wrote about is actually attached to that pin. And some of them were able to put in pictures, which is pretty cool as well. And so the kids just go through, and we're going to add to it for the entire unit. One thing you do have to remember is that when you want to share it with students to have them work on it as an interactive, you need to go in and share. And the way to do that is you have to change it to public, and you have to make sure that they have editing features. And then here's the link that you can just write on the board or post or put in a website or however you communicate with your kids in a digital fashion, and then they actually can go in and they can make their own pins on whatever you want them to put in. So I thought it was really cool, and the kids really enjoyed it, and it has so many different, can be so beneficial in so many different ways. So I thought I would share.